Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry I've not been able to do any video for some time, and I've not been around. I've been doing some traveling, so that's why I've not been able to upload some videos. And today I'll be talking about a very important topic because I've been talking to a lot of people about insurance, and they're like, okay, insurance, because we all know that like certain insurance exists. A lot of us are aware that okay, the insurance that actually existing is if you have a car, so you need to take insurance, or probably a life insurance, like when you die, so the insurance company is going to pay something to your family. So a lot of us are limited to the idea, to the information about insurance. So that's why I said, okay, let me do this video, because there are certain insurance that we should do, because the reason why the insurance company is actually out there is to leverage us of the of financial body in case something happen. So I'm going to be talking about some certain important insurances that are very important to us as an individual, or as a family, somebody who is building up a family, some insurance we should need to have. So just stay tuned, and this video is not going to be too long. So this topic is very important. So I want you to make sure you take your time, listen to it very well, and do your own research as well. So, like, I'm giving you the idea about it. So, make sure you do your own research about it before going for it. So, thank you. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe to YouTube channel, because I'll be doing everything that you need, every information regarding money management, finance. That's what I'll be doing. So, let's dive into it. And first, we'll be talking about the significance of insurance for every individual. That's what we'll be talking about first. The significance of insurance for every individual. So insurance plays a vital role in providing financial strategy and peace of mind for individuals by mitigating the potential risk and uncertainty that they face in their various aspects of life. That's exactly what insurance is all about. So there are some things that you don't actually just prepared for. We don't know if it's going to happen, but we know that it's just the life that we live, that definitely something is going to happen or something is not going to happen, but you don't know about that. You don't have the huge sum to settle it when it arises. So the insurance company is there with a little premium you pay every month that actually means nothing to you, that you can use for other stuff. So you can just put it down in case something happen. You don't have to start running. So it's very important. So that's why I'll be bringing to you the type of insurances and their significance as well. So listen, so the first one we'll be talking about right now is the health insurance. This one I can assure you a lot of people know about this very one. The health insurance is what we all know about. So the health insurance cover the medical expenses, hospitalization and treatment. So we all know that okay, when we sick, we're talking about the health insurance. Mostly in the advanced world, everybody knows about health insurance. It cover your medical bills in case something happen. And I actually advise this in case you are there are some, if you're in developing country where a lot of people doesn't have this kind of insurance, just make sure you have the right information. There will be an insurance firm out there that is rendering this service, and you are building up a family. This insurance is a must for you. I advise you go for this insurance as well. So in a world where medical bill can quickly accumulate, and health insurance ensure access to quality healthcare without straining personal finance. So with the standard of living everywhere, so if you have a health insurance, anything happen, you don't have to like, oh, this is the treatment you're supposed to give, and because of your financial state, you cannot afford this particular treatment. So that's why this health insurance is there for you, so that it can actually help you out. And the second one we'll be talking about is the life insurance. The life insurance, I believe everybody knows about this as well, the life insurance, but you might not have the whole idea about it, but you just know that, oh, yeah, actually no, it's a type of insurance. So the life insurance provide a financial support to a beneficiary or beneficiary in the event of the policyholder's death. So let's say for instance, this actually it's more common in the advanced world, in the Western world, where every parent, by the time you start having children, so you take a life insurance because you don't want to leave a burden in case anything happen, because life is full of uncertainty. You don't know what is going to happen the next day, so you are actually transferring the risk. Like if you have little kids, like you have mortgages, you have things you have to take care of. You don't want to live like the life of your children in the hands of your loved ones alone. You don't know what's going to happen. So to protect them, that's how you take insurance like this, like the life insurance. In case anything happen, the future of your children will actually be secure. So it is very very important. It is essential. It is essential, crucial for individual with dependent, as it is offer a safety that ensure that their financial needs are met, such as mortgage payments, education expenses, and daily living costs. So this insurance, you should bear this in mind as well. So advise you look into this insurance as well. And another one we have there is the auto insurance. The auto insurance is also very common. A lot of us know about this, like the motor vehicle insurance, like yeah, all the expenses of your car. If you have a car, you take insurance. Then, in case something happen, event of accident, the insurance, we have to take care of it. We all know about it, and it's also very important as well. So I'm not going to talk more on that because I know it's what everybody know. I believe everybody driving out there knows about this insurance as well. So the other one is very common as well, but I presume a lot of people doesn't know about it. Is the homeowner or the rental insurance. So if you have a house, so this insurance is for you, and or if you rent a house, so that makes it like everybody needs this insurance, because I know everybody, if you don't have a house, you definitely rent one. So this insurance is for you. Homeowner insurance protect homeowner from property damage and liability arising from accidents and natural disasters. So the same thing with a rental insurance, provide coverage for personal belonging in case of theft, fire, and other disasters. So both type of insurance are crucial for preserving one living space and possessions. So it's very important, if you own your house or you rent your house, so this insurance, you should look after it, you should look into it as well. And another one out there is the disability insurance. So disability insurance provide income replacement if an individual become unable to work due to a disability. So you see, every aspect of life is actually being covered already. Okay, let's say for instance you working, we've seen a lot of people that are actually in the wheelchair. They were not like that before. Something happened. So if you live in a country where like the government don't actually provide in case somebody become disabled all of a sudden out of incident, so you can actually take this insurance for yourself as well in case anything happen. Don't look at like I don't know if I'm going to be disabled tomorrow, but actually it's worth looking into. And another one is the long term care insurance. So sometimes in some places they call it like income protection insurance. So a long-term income insurance cover the costs associated with extended medical care and assisted needs in the case of chronic illness or disability. So I also call this like an income protection, like you working before and all of a sudden something happened, you couldn't work, or you get fired. So all those type of insurance are very important. So I've been talking to a lot of people about income protection. Like it's a kind of insurance that you have to look into. I know that sometimes you might like, why will I keep paying the premium? But with the little premium you're paying today, it's going to save you tomorrow. That's what you should bear in mind. That if you're paying, let's say you're in the UK, for instance, you have to pay a premium of like, let's say £20 every month, for instance. So why not look at a bigger picture of it? Okay, what if something happened and I'm expected to pay like £10,000? So imagine what will happen. So you start looking for loans to take. So it actually very important that you look into this, the income protection insurance, because it's going to help you. It's going to help you in case of uncertainty, what you don't actually prepared for, because life is so full of uncertainty. So you can actually see that once you have the right idea, you don't have to fear. And another thing is, in my previous video when I was talking about I was talking about emergency fund. So most of these insurances can also help if you don't have that huge amount for emergency fund. Okay, let's say for the income insurance, for income protection insurance, for instance. So if you don't work for some time, or due to a chronic illness or something, so this insurance depends on the amount you pay on your premium, your average premium, on the amount of time, the duration. So all this will be on the policy before you take the policy, so you understand what the time you'll be taking it for, and you depends on the premium you paying with. So you can calculate all your expenses, your house bills, your mortgage repayment, and what you're living on, your expenses. Then you say, okay, this is what I want in case I'm unable to work, or I get fired, I can't work. So this is what I want every month, so that at the end, when things happen, you don't just start running, like living your acting as if you don't know about it before. So all those things actually, it's actually worth looking into. And before I round up the video, I'll be talking about the importance of those insurance. So I've actually tried to explain some of the importance earlier, but I'm just going to point it out. I'm going to point it out. So the first one is financial protection. Insurance offers a safety net that caution individual from the financial impact of unexpected events. It provides significant out-of-pocket expenses and prevents individuals from depleting their savings and going into debt. So it's a financial protection, like I said before. Like something might just happen, and all your savings of your life will be gone in just a moment. So with this insurance, so you actually transferring the burden. So and the second one there is peace of mind, knowing that insurance coverage is in place, providing peace of mind, allowing individual to focus on their daily life without constantly worry about potential financial disaster. So if you have all those insurance in play, let's say for instance like the income protection, so somebody don't have to keep oppressing you, like okay, you must do this, because you are afraid that, oh, if I don't work, I'm not going to fund for my family, I'm not going to do this. So with this alone, it give you peace of mind, give you time to do things at your pace. You don't have to start worrying about some unnecessary stuff, or some disasters that might happen. So this is important as well. And another important there is risk management. Insurance help individual manage risk effectively by transferring the financial burden of a potential losses to an insurance company. Individual can better plan for the future, because you already have a, like, let's say for instance, you know that okay, I've actually transferred the risk, the burden of those financial most of my financial burden to this insurance company. So that will give you enough time to plan for your future, for other big projects in your life. You can start saving for your house, you can start doing on other things, going for holidays, because you know that um the things, most of those financial burdens actually be taken care of by the insurance companies. And another one there is it encourage responsible behavior. Insurance of reward responsible behavior. So you know, like I said before you take those insurances, there are terms and conditions. So you should know what you should do and what you should not do. You should know that you should not be careless with some certain things. So you should act with caution when doing things. So with this, it helps you to live responsibly. And support for loved ones, like I said before, like the life insurance, life insurance. So with that, it help you to support your loved ones, like securing the lives of your kids. If you really love your children, if you really love the people around you, so with insurance company, so this will actually help you. So I will actually advise that you look into those insurances as well. So take your time, do your own research. I'm just bringing this information to you so that you can go and do your own research and know how important the ones that are really important to you. So it's actually very important. So in conclusion, insurance is crucial component of financial planning for every individual. It provides protection against unforeseen events. It helps manage risk and offer financial security to both individuals and their family. By understanding the significance of various insurance types and making informed choice, individuals can ensure their lifelong well-being and maintain a financial stability even in changing circumstances. So it's very, very important. So thank you very much for staying tuned, and I hope this actually helps when it comes to insurance. So make sure you do your own research, and you follow up with the video as well. And like I said before, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and more video will be coming to your way. And if you have any video in particular in your mind you want, just let me know, put it at the comment section, and I will do a video about it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.